All right, this is Jesse Santiago with FMA Pulse. Welcome to the next episode of The Breakdown. So, working off the forward triangle, you might ask, like, what's the purpose of this footwork? So, with the forward triangle applications, I'm gonna use the weapons, stick and a knife, and then empty hands. So, from a neutral position, if I'm at the apex of the triangle, from here, with my stick, if I slide my left leg back, that extends my weapon hand forward for the strike. If I step back to the apex of the triangle, I slide my right leg back, this helps propel my backhand strike. So one of many things that could happen is going to be striking with a forehand strike, striking with a backhand strike, forehand, backhand, forehand, backhand. You can also work the reverse, where instead of me doing my forehand on my left leg sliding backwards, I could do my backhand, backhand, and when my right leg slides back, forehand, backhand, forehand, backhand, forehand. With that in mind, this also helps with your defense. So from here, if I could use my sweep blocks, so left leg goes back, I defend my left side, right leg goes back, I defend my right side. Replacement step to the block, replacement step with the attack. Translate that to a knife, same thing, forehand, backhand, forehand, backhand, or I can go backhand, forehand, backhand, forehand. Replacement step off the empty hand, I slide it back, I'm in southpaw, I could practice my boxing, slide my right leg back, now I'm in orthodox fighting stance. So from a neutral position, I can slide my left leg back, I'm in a southpaw position, neutral position, slide my right leg back, orthodox fighting stance, and I can do whatever empty hand striking you want to do. So that's one application you could use as the replacement step off the forward triangle. So again, if Mike is my target, from here, my replacement step is forehand, backhand, forehand, backhand, or I can go backhand, forehand, backhand, forehand. With a knife, same thing. Forehand, backhand, forehand, backhand. So from a neutral position, left leg slides back, I cut, back to my apex of my triangle, backhand, right leg slides back, I cut. Or I can slide my left leg back, backhand cut, back to the apex of my triangle, right leg goes back, and I can cut on my forehand strike. So you go backhand, forehand, backhand, forehand. Targeting with empty hand, from here, I go into southpaw position, and I can practice my empty hand. From here, again, from a regular squared off stance, right leg goes back, I can practice my combos. So this is just preparing yourself from southpaw and orthodox, okay? So if Mike was armed, again, this is just one variation of how we could use this as defense. So he's just gonna feed me a forehand strike and a backhand strike. So using my replacement step footwork, I'm just gonna use regular sweep blocks. So here, he's gonna feed a diagonal strike. So from here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you notice that my footwork is still the same. I'm still using this as my block. So that's one variation you'll see off of the replacement step, offensively and defensively, for the forward triangle replacement step. So if you have any comments, drop it down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'm Jesse Santiago with FMA Pulse. This is Mike Carubin. We'll catch you next week.